Hey guys, my name is Dennis again from Unbox Solution, and today I will teach you on how to load your mobile phone, or I will be using a token text mobile phone to be loaded using Gcash. So if you're not subscribed yet, please click the red subscribe button on the bottom and click the bell icon to receive a notification whenever I uploaded a new video. So as usual, so open your Gcash account. To buy a load, you need to click on buy load. It's the name itself. So again guys, if you have any question, please message me on Unbox Solution Messenger using m.me/unboxsolutions, or you can comment the questions below. You can also check our FAQ page on unboxsolution.com/FAQ. So type in the mobile number there. So this is the mobile number that I will be loading. Please don't text me on that number. And then click on next. So it will give you an options what load you'll be purchasing. You can choose regular, data, all in, that's the combo, or text loads. And for regular, I will be buying the 15 pesos regular load for token text. And then click next. So the confirmation page again, you just need to confirm that you'll be loading 15 pesos to the mobile number. Gcash has a promo that you'll be receiving 5% cashback or rebate if you load a mobile number using Gcash. So just click on confirm and the request will be processed automatically. The balance will also be processed automatically and it will be deducted on your account. So 15 pesos has been successfully sent on my token text mobile number. So as you can see, the balance has been already deducted by 15 pesos, and there you go. Everything is complete. And again, my name is Dennis. Please subscribe to Unbox Solution channel and have a great day. Thank you.